gehen wir zum Blue Mountains, wo dieser Fahrradtour oder so. Ja, wir gehen dahin und dann gucken wir um. Ich war nie da, also ich habe keine Ahnung, was ist dort und was man machen muss. Aber ja, wenn du willst da hingehen, du musst mal zum Buffet fahren erstmal und dann die Berge hoch. Keine Ahnung, wie lange das dauert. Später gibt es mehr Informationen, weißt du? So, bis dann. Tschüss. I think the road would have been much worse than this, you know? Yeah, it's actually not bad at all. It's not too bad. Better than the east road, the main road. Was passiert, wenn du hier mit den Fahrradtour fahren und dann bist du auf einmal in dieser großen Luft? Schlimm, oder?
Fällst auf die Schnauze.
Weil wenn du hier runterfällst.
Oh no.
So at the moment we're at the Blue Mountain Bicycle Tour. Yeah. Like a red stripe break, you know? That is it, guys. This is like maybe, I think approximately 2,000 feet. So we're going to continue up the mountain, just showing you guys step by step on the journey, you know? That is it. Blue Mountain Bicycle Tour. 2,000 feet. So, continuing, guys.
Reverse, I am reversing.
Woo! Woo!
You never need license plate about them place in these.
Yeah, when I can't drive at them place, that now go work. What if it look like Europe? You them look a long pine cone tree. You see or something? Up apart, you see? It's like Europe, what is it? Yes, viewers, so this is where we are at the moment. A little intersection, super geil, sehr geil here. That way to Mount Edge, we're going Mount Edge direction. So, at the moment we're at 4,000 feet. This high section, geil, 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 geil. Sehr geil. So I'm gonna go to the peak and then I'm gonna get some nice drone shot for you guys. Crazy. So stay tuned, alright? Yes guys, see? That's where we are at the moment. Blue Mountain, JAMAICA Mountain National Park, so them say. Oh, so I go and stay. That is so easy. So feel blue mountain, weißt du? Geil, geil, geil. For lease. Yes, Jamaica Institute of Jamaica. So you can come and lease the land. You can build your hotel or your house or your resort. Whatever. 50 euro per year, right? Leasing the land is really cheap. Buy it is expensive. Big guy here. Moment, he is super guy here, right? Still? Wow. So you guys gonna use the rest stop? viewers. So now we're at a very unique location. That is Kingston. We're looking at our capital right now from the mountains. Can't get any better than that. You know what I'm going to do right now?
Adrian?
I mean, I can't flip back. Just at the right spot for that, you know. We're going to continue the journey and I'm going to keep you guys in check. Alright, I'm out. So guys, we're all the way up. We're in St. Andrew at the moment at the soldier camp. That's catching peak in the hills. Huh?
Von Eseln wurde die hoch.
Irgendwas ist drin? Nee? No Papier. That is it. The military base.
Das sind die verschiedenen Einheiten. Ne?
Guck mal, that way to Portland. See? Shit.
Kingston.
Well, guys, I think we're gonna head to Kingston. They say it's much quicker, maybe 45 minutes. That direction is gonna take me 3 hours, so maybe Kingston and then Shatitu Junction I can stop and buy some lychee. Yeah.
Und Avocado.
Yeah. Guys, können wir das hier ein paar Info. The Jamaica Military Heritage Trail. So you guys can just press pause and just read everything that's on the screen at the moment. So you can get all the information. Just pause the video and read.
A few moments later.
So guys, guck mal, that's the soldier camp. There. We're just coming from there. And that's ein Friedhof da hinten. That's a military base and the cemetery. I didn't see that. But guys, here on the road going back to St. Andrew, because we're not going to go back to Portland to Buff Bay side, because we drive from Buff Bay all the way through the hills. From Buff Bay to the military base is like 3.5 hours. And from the military base to Kingston is like 45 minutes. So basically from Papine to Buff Bay would be like 1.5 hours or maybe less, maybe another 45 minutes. So it's much shorter to go back to Kingston side. But yo, here, sure. So we're gonna have some lunch now here, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we order, you know. With marijuana. See, got some weed, guys, weed, and that's just right on the roadside, you know. Actually, there's very good weed on it. Here you have a little lounge here, and you can chill, and you can look at the cliffside if that's what you like. It's nice here, guys. Really awesome.